Hello everyone, welcome to week 6. I'm just doing an introduction, of course, as I usually do. The module should be open now, and this module is really interesting because we're talking about our paper that's coming up. So this is just a module dealing with APA, choosing your paper, and going over the correct things in regards to that. Overall, I think you'll find the material interesting. You have great information here. I will say when you're reviewing some of the videos, you're going to see some differences between APA Style 6 and APA Style 7. If you go to course content, right? If you go to course content and look at APA research here, this is going to have your Style 7 changes. Some of the information in this module will have, in some of the examples, Style 6. There's not a lot of differences. So if you have questions before you submit, feel free to email me your paper, and I'm happy to point out the differences. I've dealt with this challenge in my own studies as I'm doing my doctorate, and it's been challenging to remember the differences, but overall it's not entirely that different and not too hard. So I'm sure you'll be able to keep up with it. You have, as usual, a week 6 review at the end, just a discussion board, but otherwise enjoy the material and reach out if you have any questions.